Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be using this Henry 100% acrylic roof coating. So this is the Durabright White, and this says that it lowers interior and roof temperatures and it's mildew and stain resistant. We're going to put this on the roof and we're going to show you guys the whole process. This is what ours looks like currently. So this is just where it has cracked and rusted over time. We're just gonna be putting this roof coating all over the top, and it's gonna fill in some of these cracks and it'll be good as new. So this is the roof a few days later. Now that it's dried, I was just going to show y'all the after. It did rain and there were no leaks, thankfully. So yeah, this is what it looks like. It's a little bit dirty, but it's all done. Soon we'll be painting the exterior, which we're so excited about. Yeah, we will see you guys again soon. Thanks for watching.